I have a problem with the shut-off valves, both hot and cold, in that they are not leaking as such, but they don't close completely, because of which when I have to do any repair work to the kitchen faucet, then I have to turn off the main water supply to the house, and that will disable the entire supply. It's a pain in the butt. There's no water available. This has been going on for a long time, but I decided to now change both the hot and cold valves rather, and it is soldered. One side is half an inch soldering type, and the other is the 3/8 compression fitting. And one easy way was to install another tap, 3/8 compression to 3/8 compression. That would have resolved the problem. But then I just didn't want to do that. I thought of removing the old one and then putting a new one there. So now I have everything ready. I have lead-free silver solder, heat, gas, flux, tinning flux, wire brush, and some heat shield. I now have some heat shielding in place to begin with. Then I'll have to move it to the other valve. Now this is the first one. This will be the replacement valve I'm planning to use now. On. I think the soldering seems to be okay. No leak. The left side valve is now replaced. That's the hot. The first I replaced was this cold one, now hot. It is open, no leaks, and working. And if I shut off, let me see. Okay, so no leaks.